Need to replace the induction fan in your Traeger Pro Series 34? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. Traeger calls it the draft inducer fan. It pushes air through the firepot, and when it dies, your fire suffocates. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's a medium job, about 30 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver and a small socket set. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open up the hopper. But first, pull the plug and let everything cool. Then, we can work. The service panel comes off with a handful of screws. Behind it is the electrical bay, and the fan sits mounted in there with its blades in the open. Step 2. Unplug the fan. Before anything moves, take a quick photo of the layout. Future you will thank you at reassembly. Then follow the fan's 2 leads back to their connectors and pull them apart, straight apart, with no twisting. Step 3. Unmount the old fan. Back out the screws holding the fan's bracket and mind the blades while the driver is moving. Then lift the whole assembly out of the bay. Grip it by the bracket, not the blades. Step 4. Mount the new fan. Set the bracket in place and drive the screws snug. Then give the blades a spin with one finger. You want a full, free rotation with no scrape. If it catches anywhere, reseat the bracket before you close anything. Step 5. Button it back up. Plugs together, panel on, screws in. Give each wire a gentle tug before the panel closes, and keep every lead clear of the blade sweep. Now let's make sure it's working. Plug in, power on, and turn the dial to smoke. You'll hear the fan spin up smooth. No rattle, no chirp. The manual's own check. Hold your fingers over the firepot and feel for air movement. Then let the fire build and watch it burn lively, not lazy. After cooking, the shutdown cycle runs the fan about 10 minutes and stops on its own. Pass all 4 and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.